Now to solve this mathematical expression, we use the BODMAS rule, which ensures that operations are performed in the correct order. Now first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off, convert into multiplication and orders, square roots, cube roots and exponents. We solve D. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step is division. We first look for any division operation. In the expression there are two, 8 divided by 8 and 8 divided by 8. Now first at the starting 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. Now again in the end 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. Now why we have done this? Division holds a higher priority than addition and must be completed before we can move to the other terms. Now the equation becomes 1 plus 8 and multiplied by 1. Now the second step we multiply. We look for the multiplication. 8 multiplied by 1 equals to 8. Now according to this step 2, according to the BODMAS, multiplication is the next priority before we can perform addition. Now the current expression becomes 1 plus 8 and after the third step addition. Finally we perform the add the terms. 1 plus 8 equals to 9 and this is the final operation left to reach the simplest form. So the final result is 9. Using the BODMAS rule, according to this expression, the conclusion says by following the hierarchy of operations, we avoid the common mistakes of simply calculating from left to right. The BODMAS rule ensures that the division and multiplication are isolated and solved first, leading to the mathematically accurate result of 9 according to this expression. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.